Alright, this is by far the worst concrete slab I ever had to level. I mean, I already went through 11 bags of leveling using level quick here, and I still gotta do like six more bags, maybe more. But anyways, what I came to talk to you about was my Oneida dust deputy. Works very well, contains the dust very good. That is including when you work with the shop vac. And pretty much, this is a 6.5 horsepower or hertz power. I'm not too sure what that power is, but it's 6.5 HP, and it works very well. I use a filter bag to save me from clogging my filter, but I think when you're using concrete, when you're grinding concrete, you want to use the yellow bag, which is HEPA. It's a HEPA filter, and then I still use the regular filter on it, and I still get great suction. But like I said, the dust is so fine that it seeps through the bag, and as you can see on the inside, it still gets through the bag, the very fine dust. Anyway, right here I put this little PVC elbow to keep my hose from bending if I had it sitting on top right here. Your hose is going to kink. So, and even if you want to make it more productive, you can even put another elbow right here so it goes down, so your vacuum hose is sitting upwards. And you can buy this Cyclone with the whole kit. It comes with a 5-gallon drum, or 5-gallon bucket, I should say, or a 10-gallon drum barrel. And right here I taped these seams. But when you buy it with the whole thing, it comes with the gasket and the bolts. And they even give you wheels to put underneath your container, your bucket or your drum barrel. I went with a 10-gallon drum, so I don't have to empty it out as much. It saves me time. And I gotta say, this dust deputy has saved me a lot of money from clogging my filters and stuff. The only thing I'm spending money on, and which is rare because most of the time I do sanding with it, or just cutting with a chop saw and table saw. But yeah, all the filter bags, I gotta buy the filter bags. Anyways, I got this hump here I'm grinding right now, and it's pretty high, and it's right on this crack here. And it's just about, I would say, ½ inch high, just to ease it into this hallway here. And you can see I had a large gap in the floor here. But yeah, and even over here, look at that. I have to bring it up so high, and now I only got an 1/8 inch to the top of the tile. And here, I already brought this side up an inch high. As you can see, I still gotta go 3/4 of an inch. I got a spacer on the end of my straight edge there. Tapers up and then gets flat. So I gotta fill all this in, but I'm gonna tackle that back room over here first, and then work my way out. Anyways, a little demonstration of the Oneida dust deputy in action. There we go. Okay. the sunlight. Earplugs first, and my headset. Alright, let's make some noise. It's gonna get noisy. Didn't move, I didn't even turn on the vacuum yet. So there you go. Little demonstration with the concrete grinder. Oneida Dust Deputy. It's your shot back. And remember people, Charlie fucking Zach. Idiot. Alright guys. You know, you got any questions, please leave a comment. Whatever. I'll see you on the next one. Alright.